Hi, I'm Abhilash Nambiar, the CEO of Claypot Technologies. We have been into this building automation space for more than 20 years now. So during this journey, it has always been a dream of mine to have one integration platform which integrates the various hard and soft aspects of a building. Somfy products have been there in the standalone environment for a long time now. With Claypot's Thanos platform, we get valuable inputs from them. So it is an integrated environment, an integration in terms of graphics, intelligent analytics, and predictability of various applications.
I am the CIO for House of Hiranandani. At House of Hiranandani, we give a lot of weightage importance to the automation in terms of a building what we create or the infrastructure we deliver to our customers or our tenants. Here, the different technologies are evaluated at different point of time. We ensure that there is an ecosystem around all our environment which is capable of scaling up. We already started working with Somfy. We use their actuators, fire actuators. We considered Somfy as one of our premium product partner for the access control system, especially for the boom barriers, the BFT solutions, BFT's doors. These are the areas where we're predominantly working with Somfy right now. Somfy is a fantastic product, great product in terms of the look, feel, quality, and then the terms of delivery.
Octopus is a one-of-its-kind smart building management system. Octopus monitors and controls almost all aspects of building management. In a typical commercial building, if there is a fire situation, many casualties happen because of smoke inhalation. And there is no smart way to let the smoke out. So Octopus along with Somfy, we have a system where if there is a fire trigger, using Somfy smart motor controllers, we can automatically open the windows of buildings and let the smoke out. There is no manual intervention required to open the doors can open automatically. Building curtain and blind control by Somfy. We can create customized zones for the blinds in the building, and these blinds can be controlled based on the movement of the sunlight. People count powered by Somfy. By integrating Somfy's automatic sliding doors with Octopus, we can actually count the number of people entering and exiting the building.
The journey till now with Somfy has been quite fruitful for either parties, and we plan to continue this in the future as well.